For the 4th year in a row, More Expo has killed it.
More Expo has been really, really great. This is my first time coming, so it's really cool to see the wide variety of everything that's out here.
A lot bigger and better than I expected, and I can definitely see all the heart and soul and effort that Chris has poured into it and the team has poured into it. I can see all this hard work come together. It's really cool.
Just seeing like all of the smaller vendors is a nice change, I think, from the big shows that we've been to, where you really can't take anything home with you. That's like probably the biggest thing I've noticed about this event, is that there's actually affordable things I think everybody can grab and take home.
The people here working here have been nice, and every vendor has talked to us like we are best friends.
It's fantastic. The people here are awesome. It's just a really cool show to be at. I enjoy all the different campers. It's fun to look at. The outside is awesome too, with everybody camping. It's a blast.
Just loving having the conversations. We're meeting a lot of people and a lot of vendors at the campsite, and this is just incredible. We'll definitely be back next year.
My experience at More Expo has been great. My group and I, we did the S'more to More drive this morning. It was a challenge, but it was fun.
Here in Missouri, because it draws from so many surrounding states. There's so many different people that we get to talk to here that we wouldn't see anywhere else, which makes it the most compelling event that we do in the Midwest.
There's less of a hustle and bustle, I think, to it. There's actually like a chill vibe where everybody can communicate, and it doesn't feel as much like a show. It feels more like a hangout.
Look forward to coming back and meeting everybody and having a good time again.